In this video, I will be showing you what Canva font looks like Disney. Let's get started. I'll start by selecting my first text box and heading over to the font search bar on the left. I'm typing in Adlery Swash. Once I select it, you can see those classic sweeping curves that give off a vintage animated feel. Now I'll move to the second line and search for Amsterdam one. This font is a bit more modern but still has that elegant signature style we're looking for. I'll click to apply it to the text and move on to the next one. For the third text box, I'm searching for apricots. This script is very soft and rounded, making it perfect for a magical or fairy tale themed design. I'll click to select it and see how it transforms the text. Next, I'll click the fourth box and type in Bellaboo. This font is a bit bolder and more playful, giving the design a fun, hand-drawn character that really stands out on the page. Moving down to the fifth text element, I'm looking for Better Together script. This is a beautiful flowing font where the letters connect seamlessly, creating a very polished and storybook-like look. Now, I'll select the next line and search for Bright Sunshine. This one has a cheerful and lighthearted vibe, which is a great choice for any title that needs to feel inviting and warm. Next up is Daydream. I'll type that into the search bar and select it from the list. This font is light and airy, capturing a sense of wonder and imagination perfectly. I'll continue by selecting the eighth box and searching for Imperfect. I'll select the font to give the text a unique handwritten aesthetic that feels very personal and authentic. For the next one, I'm clicking the text and typing in Jimmy Script. This is another great handwritten option that adds a touch of charm and whimsy to the layout. Read more why certificates of completion are a game changer for your online course. Now I'll search for Livonia Classy for the 10th line. As the name suggests, this font is quite refined and elegant, making it ideal for more formal Disney-inspired projects. Moving down again, I'm looking for La Curti one. I'll type it in and apply it to see how its stylized characters add a distinct and creative personality to the page. Next, I'll select the 12th box and search for Meow Script. This font is very curly and decorative, which works perfectly for adding a bit of extra magic to your typography. For the 13th line, I'm searching for Mistrally. I'll click on the font result to apply this artistic, flowing script that has a very creative and fluid feel. Finally, I'll select the last text box and search for Moontime. I'll select it to round out my list with a sleek, sophisticated script font that looks great on any design. These are some of the best Canva fonts to help you achieve that iconic Disney-inspired look in your designs.